We're gonna run board and batten off a 24 gauge mild steel, 20-inch width. It's already fed through the machine, through the infeed, all the way to my outfeed. It's already at the shear. Just board and batten is on this profile. We'll come over here and start this up. We'll jog a little piece out just to show you what it is. I'm gonna shear it off right here. And out comes my piece. So when you're making board and batten, you want to check your cuts and make sure this is not squished in. You got a smooth cut, no burrs. And on your other side for your lock and snap. I got 2 other panels that are already ran. So once they come out of the machine, you want to put them together just like this. Lock it. And then up comes your panel.